I completely transformed my old sad backyard into a beautiful grassy lawn. Here's a few steps on how I did it. I first hand removed all of the weeds and made sure that we had a proper soil to begin with. I then brought in 12 yards of topsoil to enrich the soil itself. This is a lot of soil to handle with a wheelbarrow, so you might want to actually rent a device to help you maneuver all the soil around. After I had 2 to 3 inches of soil over the entire area, I brought in some seed, lime, and fertilizer, and before I applied my seed, I actually took a tiller and tilled the entire backyard 3 times in multiple directions. I then smoothed out the backyard with a large lawn roller that you fill up with water and is extremely easy to use once you get it rolling. I applied 5 to 7 pounds of seed per 1,000 square foot, and then once all the seed was down, I put a bit more soil right on top and smoothed it out accordingly. I watered it twice a day for 2 weeks and it started looking like this, and after 6 weeks it was one beautiful, sexy beast.